Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you the packages that I bought and how much are the hash rate for them and how much I paid for each package. And if you should use Nicehash Easymining for renting hash rate, or should you use other websites, like for example, mining renters. In the end of the video, we will calculate how much I paid for the packages and how much blocks did I want. Plus, you can get 5% off your trades from my link down below in the comments. Here, as we can see, are my recent packages. Let's go to the completed. Here we got all the packages that I bought. All of them. So let's go back for the completed ones. Let's talk about the Silver S1 first. The Silver S1, I took it on the 1st of March. I got close to reward to 73%. Let's go and see how much the hash rate for it. The limit hash rate is 0.0010 exahash. Let's copy this and go to hash rate power calculator. Let's go here. And let's see how much are the number. 0.0010 exahash equals to 1 petahash or 1000 terahash. These are for the Silver S1 and we got it for 1 hour. And we got close to reward to 73%. I paid $6.9 for it. And the potential price is $2,600. Now let's go to the Chromium S1. The Chromium S package with the price of 6.92 and the potential block reward of $70. I got close to reward to 84%. Now let's go and see how much are the hash rate for this. The hash rate is 0.005 terahash, which I got it for 1 hour. I rented this rig about a month ago. Now, as we can see here, the hash rate is 0.005 terahash, which equals to 5 gigahash. Now, if we want to make a rig like this, we need to go and see how much 5 gigahash is. For this example, I am going to take an RTX 3060. Now, one RTX 3060 will get us about 46 cents a day. Now, one RTX 3060 get us almost 21 megahash. Yeah, megahash, not gigahash. And here, as we can see, the rig that we got from Nicehash Easymining is 5000 megahash. So let's say we got 240 RTX 3060. It will equals to $110 per day and will get us about 5 gigahash. Now 240 RTX 3060 is a lot, but this is the price for it, and we got it for 1 hour, which is not bad at all, and we got 84% the way there. Now let's go to the other website like mining renters and see how much will it cost us to rent 5 gigahash. Here in marketplace, let's go to Cowpow. Where's Cowpow Raven? Let's go for the hash rate. I need 5 gigahash. Let's go here. 5 gigahash. This is the cheapest one here. Yeah, this 5 gigahash. Now this 5 gigahash will cost us 0.00055. If we open the calculator and put 0.0055 multiply by the price of Bitcoin right now, which is $69,800, it will equals to $38 for 3 hours. Now we want 1 hour only. Let's divide it by 3, and it will cost us $12.78 for 1 hour. So the price for the easy mining is way cheaper, way cheaper. It's 6.9 on Nicehash Easymining, and in the mining rentals it's about $12. Now let's calculate how much I paid in Nicehash Easymining packages. Now I bought 20 pack of Gold S, and I bought 2 packs of Gold M, and 10 Silver S and 7 Chromium S, and other Team Silver and Team Gold packages, and 2 packages from Palladium S and Bronze S. So the grand total is $438.5. This is how much I put in easy mining. Now let's see how much packages got the block. I won this block from the Chromium S package. I got 105 close reward. I paid $6.9 for it, and I won $70 for it. So 10x the money. This is one block that I won, and there's another one here from Team Silver. Team Silver is for Bitcoin Cash. Now here my total commitment is $6.9, and I won $45. Here I got 113% of the block. Now this is the only things that I won with easy mining. I paid $438 for them, and I won $118. That's it. So I lost a whopping $320. So please don't try this, because it's gambling. Now, if you have any questions about Nicehash Easymining or mining in general, let them in the comments below. And if you would like to see more detailed tutorials and comparisons or any specific topics related to cryptocurrency mining or finance in general, let me know. And if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. It will help me a lot. See you in the next video.